Hi guys, just dug this one out of my stock Pajero, I think it is. There we are, Mitsubishi Pajero, or Pajero, which apparently means something rude in some language, so they rebranded it with a different name. It's one that I've modified for hobby grade controls. From the sound of it, I think there might be a problem with one of the gears. Forwards is alright. Makes a bit of a noise going backwards. It does have a gear selector on there for high and low gear. It's set to low gear at the moment. What I'm going to do is stick the GoPro on the back here, so we've got a sort of a top-down view, something like that. Can I get it anywhere else? Something like that, just so we can run it around the garden. Or I could put it on the trailer. I'll see if I can find a trailer to put behind it. Just double check we're still recording. Yep. Okay, I've had to move the position of the hook for the trailer cam because it was getting stuck in the grass where I had it, low down. So it's higher up now. Got no power at all for going over any bumps. Well, that's it. It can't cope with the grass. Got no power at all. And it sounds like the gears are playing up anyway. So, probably time to retire it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.